Hello, everyone. Welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new here, welcome. So, in today's video, we are shopping at Walmart. I hope you guys stay tuned throughout the video so I can tell you some of the items that I picked up during this shopping haul. The first thing I want to show you guys is this lavender plant. Oh my goodness. How pretty. So, this is a lavender tree. I have not seen this, but I have started a coleus tree, and I think this is absolutely neat just to see the lavender tree as they actually prune it to look like this. So, and then here is a proven winner, sparkle and glow. How gorgeous is this? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And as we stroll along, oh my goodness, y'all, when I'm telling you guys, don't spend all your money, but this clematis is just, okay. So let's head inside of the garden center, and I am so happy to go ahead and get shopping because there are some nice items in here. And let's talk about it as we go ahead on into the inventory to see what Walmart has. First thing up here is they have the ferns. These ferns are full, big, vibrant, great for a filler on your porch. So if you just want just to pop something on your porch to kind of fill in spaces, this is a perfect addition. Look how big that is. And it is running $14.88. And you guys, I'll show you guys later. But ferns are a great filler. I promise you, it just makes everything just come together. Okay? And then over here, check out this hibiscus. Now, this is considered a tropical hibiscus. It is, you guys, if you have a problem with going out shopping and cannot control yourself, okay, because this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. The yellow is just gorgeous. Last year I did have the white variety, and I should have put it in my home garage and not the greenhouse because the greenhouse temperature dropped a little bit too low. But this one here is running $20 for this big plant here. It is pretty. Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous hibiscus. So if you're into hibiscus, I think this one here is it just screams tropical right here. If you guys agree, go ahead and put I agree in the comments below. Now over to this next table, they have here in this container, it's a shaded combo. So that means that they do recommend that you put this in a shaded area because it could burn. Like this would be nice on under a gazebo or your front porch or your patio, something where you know that is having cover so they will, not get all burnt. Okay. So as you guys can see, they do have here is a mixture of varieties of plants like the calipocoas, and then they have here is the begonias, and begonias are just absolutely, it's just great to have. And in a pop of philodendrons in the middle. So always having a philodendron. I do have a couple of them. They're out in my backyard and they do absolutely good in areas that get a lot of water. And then right here I'm showing you guys is a combination as well. This right here is geraniums. This right here is a vinca. And on top of that, you guys, they did pop in here some of the spiked grass. Okay. So this is a great combo as well. So check out this geranium. This is a pretty fuchsia color geranium. I'm just loving flowers right at this point in time. They have here is some coleus in here as well with a little bit of creeping jennies. And I showed you guys creeping jennies where I have my rose in my main garden. It's spilling out and cascading out of my clay pots. So here is another geranium. No, this is not a geranium. This is a begonia. And then they have a beautiful coleus. Look at all of this variegation in this coleus. Just stunning. The texture of it as well is just amazing. Now they do have some single geraniums for $7.88. That's pretty reasonable as well. And I'm loving this coral, man, I feel like it's a coral color to me. Not bad at all. Now over here is called a spike plant. This is what you pop into the center of your planters just to give it a little bit of height. And you guys, for the price, not bad. $2.84 is not a bad price. And it's multi-sewn inside this container if you look closely. Over here, they have a lot more ferns. Now, I am not sure exactly on what variety of fern this is. I might have to do a little bit more research on this particular fern, but they do have a lot of different types of ferns here. And as far as this one right here, this is a Kimberly Queen. And a Kimberly Queen fern actually stands upright more so than this fern beside me. So the ferns that I just showed you over here, they kind of flop, but a Kimberly Queen does not. It kind of stands upright. And then over here is some beautiful calibrachoas by Proven Winners. Okay. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? This is a Super Bell Over Easy Calibrachoa. I really like that, you guys. I really like this one. I had it last year. I think I had the Limelight Calibrachoas. And then over here is a nice pack of wave petunias. The purple one smells amazing, you guys. If you ever want to smell a petunia, the purple ones has a scent, but the other ones not so much. But smell the purple petunias. It is very sweet. Just trust me on this one. But the purple one does have a scent. But this one right here is just gorgeous. Striped petunia. It's just gorgeous. I mean, look at it. It just screams gorgeous. So I am going to be taking you guys along this whole entire video to show you all the different things that we can utilize in our garden, because guess what? It's not just about vegetables in our garden. We need our flowers for pollinating. Having a different diversity of flowers in our gardens will help out with our vegetables and our fruit to grow their full potential. I promise you, always pop in some flowers, okay? And here is some more begonias, and look at this butter yellow begonia, just stunning. Now this begonia right here looks like almost like a rose. I love the texture as well. And they're running roughly about $5. Then over here is some dahlias. So if you like dahlias, dahlias is an annual, but if you take the bulbs up, you can store it away and pop it back into the ground. And as well, here is some more geraniums. Look at this fuchsia color. I'm telling you, this fuchsia color and the coral colors are just beautiful. They do have in here some hanging baskets. So if you just have them hanging over top of your garden on some planter hooks, if you have a fence or something, it'd be great to just pop them around a hanging basket or something like that, so that your pollinators can just go ahead and circulate all the way around your garden inside of a hanging basket. Now this is a lime coleus. Look at this. It's multi-sewn inside this container, and it's running $7.88. I think it's absolutely a wonderful price. I did have these 2 years ago around my sand pit. So here is some of the tomatoes. This is a different variety of tomatoes in each cell that is running $2.97, and you are getting a good bit of tomatoes for the price. Now over here they have these big containers of tomatoes that is multi-sown as well. I mean, you can either break those up, divide them up, and get a head start. And then on top of here, they have more geraniums. And here are some multi-sown jalapenos. And down below here, they have a patio cucumber. They all should go ahead and produce at the same time. So this is great for a small patio. Or at least give yourself some ideas on what you can do on your own. Now over here is some geraniums. This is a two-tone geranium with a spike plant and a vinca. The vinca will actually put on this little dainty light purple flower later on in the season. I think it is a great mixture, and plus with the variegation of the vinca. Now here's something that is great for your pollinators as hello, marigolds, and as well it will deter pests. So because of the smell of the marigold, some pests do not like them, okay? And as well, check this one out, okay? This is called a taxseed, and this is great for pollinators. Anything that is bright yellow, bees are attracted to it, okay? So if you're growing anything yellow, I promise you bees will absolutely love it. Then over here is they have the mandevillas, and I absolutely was thinking about grabbing two of these. I was thinking about this because I was thinking about putting a jasmine on my arbor, but I'm thinking about putting this. You guys let me know in the comments. Should I get this one instead of the jasmine? The jasmine does have a pretty smell, so I don't know. I'm undecisive. So here is some freesia. I'm gonna say freesia. So these are gorgeous as well. Look how these are so cutesy. I hope I'm saying that right. Freesia. I think I'm saying that right, okay? Y'all can let me know in the comments if I said it wrong. Okay, I think I said it right though. But look at this combination here of begonias, you guys. This is begonias, and they on sale for $10, and this is nice. It's a nice arrangement. So over here is the sale rack, and I mean they have amazing plants on the sale rack. So hello, always check around, you guys. Check around. So here is some impatiens. So if you guys are into that. Some more geraniums. Now look at these cute. I think about putting this on my porch. So these are philodendrons, and I'm thinking I would like to put these on my porch. I'm not sure. I really want something small. And then here is some asparagus ferns. So if you live in cold regions and you want something to come back, go ahead and pick up some asparagus ferns. I promise you they'll keep coming back. So here is some beautiful hot red dragon's breath. How beautiful is this? I'm quite sure you'll get an amazing sight out of any planter if you pop that dead center. And all of the hostas. I mean, there is a ton of hostas here. Heucheras. I love my heucheras. I got a good bit going around my property in containers and in my garden beds. And then right here is some dianthus, super stunning dianthus. I love this, love it, love it, love it. Now, here is some of the vining plants that I wanted to pick up. So I ended up picking up two of these, and I think I'm gonna have these hanging out of my gazebo planters. Yes, my gazebo planters. I think it's gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna pick up two of these. And I will divide them up between all four. So I did pick up two of these, and they were only running $1. And as well, I picked up these. Now they were there are $15, but they were $40, so I ended up picking up two. And then look at these Gerber daisies. How stunning is them? If you love color, Gerber daisies is the way to go. But we are at the end of this video. I hope you guys truly enjoy my content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. I'll see you guys in the next one.